Good afternoon. My name is Oleksandra. I am 35 years old. In December 2022, my daughter and I were evacuated to Japan from Ukraine. I live in Chiba Prefecture. Because of the war, my life has changed a lot. But in Japan, new opportunities opened up for me. I want to learn and develop here and reach my full potential. In 2011, I received my bachelor's degree from the University of Food and Trade and worked as an accountant for 4 years after graduation. I speak Ukrainian, Russian and English, level B1, and currently studying Japanese. I learned about the Microsoft Power BI course from my friend and decided to try it. As I have long been interested in the field of analytics, which makes it possible to work in the IT field. The trainers at the training give us all the necessary information within a course in a very detailed and understandable way. While studying Microsoft Power BI, I realized that this knowledge can be useful in any professional activity. No wonder Microsoft Power BI is at a forefront of its industry. I hope that soon I will receive an analyst certificate and will be able to apply the knowledge gained in practice.